So we are in day 4 of harvest. We are here at what we like to call Grandma's. Her house is over there. And we're gonna be harvesting some corn. It's already like 4 o'clock. Haven't touched a single stalk of corn. We've replaced 3 belts, almost an alternator, decided that was not the issue. There was a little bit of beans left in the combine, and we had a small pop-up shower. So that was our first issue this morning. And then we located some belt issues, and it just kind of kept piling on. Been a slow one, but they got it running, the header's on. They're gonna test it and see if we can figure out what our voltage problem is, because it's been stressing us out. And our buddy Boone's here helping us out. He's the best mechanic, and he always saves our butt. He's a John Deere guy, and he honestly can fix anything.
You don't need to work out too much, man.
Let me pull out a little bit.
We get them other sprockets to turn.
Probably go, won't it?
Yeah. You had the pipe wrench.
They're about to go run for the first time, and we're gonna see what he says, and hopefully it'll fix our voltage problem, and we'll get some cool corn action going here soon. I am ready. We got a lot to do, about 150 acres. Thought it was gonna take 3 days. Now it'll probably take 4, since it's already 4 o'clock and we haven't done anything. So wish us luck. Fingers crossed we can get this working and fixed. Do you guys see what I see? Yay, we're running. He's right there. He's gonna bring me a sample here soon so I can go to the co-op, see what our moisture is. We should be fine. I'm hoping for like a 14, 15, 13 maybe at the driest, but we got a little rain, like I said earlier, so hopefully we're right on par for the day. I'm ready to get rolling. So yesterday, when I said we were playing mechanic most of the day, I'll kind of tell you what happened. Had a little pop-up shower, and there was a little bit of beans left in the combine. We had nowhere to put it, everything was full. And it was dumb, but we didn't really have a choice. So the combine had to stay outside. The beans got a little moist, a little wet, and swelled up on us. So we had to unclog the auger. Have a video of that. We had to pull this pulley, take the chain off, hand crank it with a big old wrench. Got that fixed. In the process, there's a gearbox right here, and on either side you have to open it up and dig out the wet beans that were like clogging it. There's the word I was looking for. But we also needed to add some oil to the gearbox. We wanted to check it out and make sure it was okay since we were already up there. And the bolt had been painted on. So little me climbed up here, stood on this, And I took a big old wrench to the gearbox bolt. It's where is it? Like here. And I stood and I put my foot on the tire and I pulled the wrench and I threw myself backwards when it broke free, because she broke free hard. And I nailed my head up here on a bar, hit my back on the way down, and I broke the bolt free. And I kind of just kept working and didn't think anything of it. And then a little bit later, I touched the knot on the back of my head and it was bleeding. So I did kind of gash my head open yesterday. Hence the low pony today, because we're a little sore. So it was a long day yesterday.